Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a rental property checklist with TurboTenant, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure a rental property checklist with TurboTenant, start by logging into your TurboTenant account. If you do not have an account, create one by visiting their website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you manage your properties. Select the property you want to configure the checklist for. In the Properties dashboard, look for the Checklist or Tasks section. Click on this section to enter the checklist configuration area. Here, you will find pre-existing templates for rental property checklists. Review the templates available and choose one that fits your needs. If you prefer to create a custom checklist, there should be an option to start from scratch. Begin adding items to your checklist by clicking the Add Task button. For each task, enter a clear and concise description. Assign deadlines and responsible parties for each task if required. You can also add subtasks to provide more detailed instructions. Ensure that your checklist covers all necessary areas such as property maintenance, tenant screening, and move-in procedures. Once you have added all items, review the checklist for completeness. Make adjustments as needed to ensure all necessary tasks are included. If TurboTenant offers collaboration features, invite team members to contribute to the checklist. After finalizing the checklist, save your changes. To access the checklist in the future, return to the Properties dashboard. Regularly update the checklist as tasks are completed or as new tasks arise. Utilizing TurboTenant for your rental property checklist streamlines your management process. This allows for better organization and efficiency in handling your rental property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.